Have you ever heard the story of the world's first alchemist? They were a being of pure power, an unrelenting force of cosmic energy. The basic elements, they were child's play to the things they've done. They craved more, so instead they took the building blocks of life itself. And took it deep within their blazing heart and transmutated them into something new. It was violent. Its power unfathomable until a recent millennia. It's a power we now call nuclear fusion. And from this fusion came a new element, a radiant force that would illuminate the cosmos and breathe life into the void.
Helium.
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 Helium. The first and last of its kind. Yet this power came with a grave price. Raw, untempered energy that knew no distinction between ally and adversary. The alchemists shot with blinding flares, each one burning at 3.5 million degrees. They lash at anyone who dares enter this newly formed king's domain. The alchemists, they became the pinnacle of power. But from this power came a solemn loneliness. Afraid of the unrelenting power that took to his core. Afraid of what he might do. The alchemist went away into an isolation 93 million miles from any type of life. You should know this story, because this is the story of our